ちょっとお願いしてもいいですか？ちょっとやめて。ちょっとやめて。Are you freaking out?
ちょっとね。
Yeah, that ちょっと。
The worst.
Yeah.
こんちゃん。
Hello again, Melanie.
Hello again, Kisa. What have you been up to recently?
ちょっとね。
ちょっとか。
ちょっとね。
What do you mean by that?
ちょっと。
I think I know.
You?
You have a boyfriend.
ちょっと。
I'm right. I knew it.
That is so wrong. No.
ちょっとボーイフレンドできたね。
ちょっと待って。ちょっと待って。So welcome back, guys. As I think you can guess, we are going to talk about chotto. Do you use chotto?
Of course. It's pretty common. I use it usually to mean a little bit.
Oh yeah. And there are so many different meanings of chotto.
I'm going to trust you to teach me today, Sensei. Teach me all the different nuances and meanings of the word chotto.
This is said to be the origin of chotto. And 𝗔 is 1 and 𝗧𝗠 is an old unit of measurement. It's about 3.03 centimeters. And it's tiny, right? It's small.
Okay.
So it became chotto.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
So like you can say this when you want to say, oh, it's ちょっと寒い. A bit cold, a little cold today. ちょっと高い. It's a bit expensive.
Okay, so it's kind of the same usage as English,
Yeah.
I guess. Because you would say too, like
But
it's a little
point
cold,
is
a little
that,
expensive.
yeah, but the definition of a little differs to a person, right?
Yeah, that's true too.
Yeah, so like for me, it's a bit cold, but for you, it might be like more colder than you expected.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I think that's usually like same as English too. Yeah, how are you right now?
ちょっといいです。
ちょっといいです。Oh, okay. So a little good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I bought this tea
Yeah.
for 500 yen.
めっちゃ高くない？ちょっと？That's not ちょっと。Where did you get that?
I got it from premium family mart. I guess.
That's not ちょっと for me.
For me, it's Chotto.
No.
What's usual price then for this?
About 150?
Okay, so 500 yen. It's a little more.
No, that's way too expensive.
Everyone's different, I guess.
Okay. Still too expensive though. ちょっとだけ。ちょっとじゃない。ちょっとですね。めっちゃです。そうね。Okay, so the next one is calling for an attention or when you want to ask someone for a favor. So like you can say, Melanie, ちょっと来て.
Yes.
What about this one? What?
That's kind of like nothing in English, I think.
Okay.
So I think people would be like, what's happening? What's wrong?
In Japan, we can say, come here as well.
Okay, does this have a meaning in Japanese?
I think it can cause a fight. This is like 挑発? What's the word in English?
Provoking.
Like kung fu masters. So like.
Oh, okay, yeah, I've seen that.
ちょっとお願いしてもいいですか?
Okay.
Like, I'm asking you a favor, but ちょっと makes it more polite. I know
Polite
it
as possible.
will cause you inconvenience. It's tough for you, but I'm asking. So ちょっとお願いします。
ちょっと金貸して。
ちょっと金貸して。No. What is that ちょっと? 5万円。5万円? That's not ちょっと.
It's Chotto for
That's
me.
not
It's
Chotto for me.
I just needed
5万
Chotto.
円 is like
$500.
500.
It's Chotto.
No. It's never ちょっと. No. I won't lend you any money.
500 yen. 500 yen. How about that?
Good. 500. Okay, there you go.
Okay, that's
Right,
Chotto. That's Chotto.
For me.
I think this use of Chotto I never really learned about in a textbook, but this is just something that I kind of picked up from living in Japan. So I kind of think of it kind of as a cushion word to make things sound more polite or try to ease into a topic, especially one that might inconvenience the listener.
Sensei! めっちゃわかりやすい! Okay, so number 3 is when you want to express ambiguity.
Okay. So for example,
when you want to hide something,
Oh.
you don't want to be clear about something, or you're just too busy to answer. So for example, どこ行くの? Where are you going? ちょっとそこまで.
somewhere. Yeah, that's suspicious.
Yeah, it is. Melanie, 今日空いてる? Are you free tonight? And then she says,
ちょっとね.
yeah, that ちょっと.
The worst.
Yeah. I assume that she doesn't want to come. Because if she really have something to do, then she could just say oh, I have tennis tonight. It's not rude. It's a way of expressing you're not coming. But I don't have to tell you why because it's personal thing. Okay, so the last one I'm going to teach you is to show you're irritated using chotto.
Alright.
You can show super angry to just fooling around.
Okay, this is a really convenient word to use, I guess.
So when you're joking around, you can say chotto. I'm not even angry.
Okay, yeah, I can tell from the tone in your voice. It's just with your secret boyfriend, right?
Chotto! When Japanese say ちょっとやめてください with no facial expression, it's really angry.
So, let's have a test.
Okay.
Let's see how annoying this is for Kisa. Can you tell? Is she jokingly annoyed? Is she really annoyed?
ちょっとうるさいし、ちょっとやめて、ちょっとやめて、ちょっとやめて。
So, how angry were you?
まあ普通。Chotto.
Oh, okay.
From Japanese drinking culture. When you go get some drink with, do you know oji-san? Oji-san?
Yeah, old guys.
Yeah, old
basically.
guys.
There's no maybe defined age, but when someone's an oji-san, they're an oji-san.
Yeah. And in Japan, so someone pours you a drink, and that's when you say. Yeah, and you keep on drinking. Basically, it means oh, that's enough. But
you really, you can still go. You can still keep drinking. Yeah.
I'm still a student, so I've never seen this situation, but
one of the companies I do translation work for is basically me and only old guys. So when we go drinking, for our end of year party, or when there's some customer that comes, we take them drinking. And yeah, I've seen the old guys many times being oh, chotto. Yeah, I've seen that so many times, and I've poured for them too. I'm yeah, chotto. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so Melanie, did you understand the definition of chotto? Chotto! What? Okay, but unfortunately, we're out of time.
Okay.
So, chotto 終わります.
If there's any other topics that you'd like Kisa-sensei to cover, then please let us know in the comments down below.
And don't forget to subscribe and share the videos around if you haven't yet. And today we're done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So see you
See
next
you in
time.
next video. Bye.
Bye.